Welcome to Creative Propak Plastic Manufacturing LLC Dubai. Our plastic manufacturing facility, specializing in the production of high-quality plastic caps and closures for a wide range of industries. Our manufacturing capabilities include advanced processing technologies such as injection blow molding, injection molding, extrusion blow molding, injection stretch blow molding, printing and decoration. Inside our dedicated QC lab, advanced diagnostic instruments rigorously test every batch against the highest international benchmarks. We verify every specification, ensuring compliance, durability, and total peace of mind before a single item leaves our care. We have invested heavily in plastic manufacturing machinery to deliver high-volume production with absolute geometric accuracy. Our commitment continues right through to your doorstep with a streamlined high-capacity storage warehouse and a dedicated transport fleet. Your supply chain remains fully protected. We guarantee seamless logistics and on-time delivery anywhere you need us. We are capable of delivering reliable, customized packaging solutions that meet diverse customer requirements. Here, your ideas take physical shape.